Have you ever pondered why, as we grow older, the spark in our relationship seems to fade? Not because we feel any less love, but because our bodies begin to slow down in ways that deeply affect our connection. The truth is what many people over 60 experience fatigue, low intimacy, or a sense of distance in their romantic lives isn't just getting old, it's often caused by something far more fixable: poor circulation. When blood flow to key areas of the body declines, so does energy sensitivity and confidence. And while many turn to medications with unwanted side effects, there's a natural, safer path forward, one that's likely already sitting in your kitchen. In this video, you'll uncover the powerful science-backed truth about 10 common fruits that can significantly improve circulation and restore intimacy in your life. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find miracle foods. They're everyday fruits you've probably eaten before. Only now you'll understand how they directly support healthy blood vessels, boost nitric oxide, lower blood pressure, and help reignite physical and emotional closeness with your partner. This isn't just about improving your health. It's about taking back your vitality, your joy, and the connection that still lives inside you. And the best part? It's completely natural, affordable, and easy to begin today. So don't look away or tell yourself it's too late. Stay with us through the end of this video because what you'll learn here could very well change how you experience your body, your relationship, and the years ahead. Make the choice to take action. Now your heart, your health, and your partner will thank you. 1. Pomegranate. And watermelon. Pomegranate and watermelon may seem like ordinary fruits, but science reveals they're anything but. These two powerhouses are among nature's most effective tools for enhancing blood circulation. Especially as we age, for adults over 60, poor circulation is one of the leading reasons for decreased energy and reduced intimacy. The good news: these fruits offer a natural, delicious solution. Let's start with pomegranate. Known for its vibrant ruby red seeds, pomegranate has been a symbol of vitality and fertility for centuries. Today, modern science backs up its reputation. Studies from the University of California have shown that drinking pomegranate juice can boost nitric oxide levels in the body by up to 30%. Why does that matter? Nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow to every part of the body, including those areas responsible for physical intimacy. The result: greater sensitivity, stronger performance, and a renewed sense of confidence. Watermelon, on the other hand, offers a surprising benefit that few people know about. It contains high levels of an amino acid called citrulline, which the body converts into arginine, an essential building block for nitric oxide production. Research from Texas A&M University even suggests that watermelon may have similar effects to popular medications used for erectile dysfunction. But without any of the side effects when consumed regularly, watermelon helps keep blood vessels relaxed and open, supporting not just intimacy but overall cardiovascular health. Together, pomegranate and watermelon form a powerful 1-2 punch. They complement each other beautifully. One increases nitric oxide directly, while the other supplies the raw materials your body needs to sustain it. Whether you sip on a glass of pomegranate juice in the morning or enjoy a few slices of watermelon on a warm afternoon, you're doing more than satisfying your taste buds. You're investing in better circulation, better health, and a more vibrant love life. But we're just getting started. What if we told you that 2 tiny berries, often overlooked in the produce aisle, could be the secret to restoring flexibility in your blood vessels and bringing intimacy back to life? Let's find out. 2. Blueberries and strawberries. Strawberries, blueberries, and strawberries may look small and sweet, but their impact on circulation and intimacy is anything but subtle. These vibrant berries are rich in compounds that specifically target the health of your blood vessels, making them powerful allies for anyone over 60 looking to restore energy, improve blood flow, and rekindle connection in their relationship. Let's begin with blueberries. Often referred to as a superfood, blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, natural pigments that give them their deep blue color. But anthocyanins do much more than look pretty. They reduce inflammation, protect blood vessels from damage, and improve the function of the endothelium, the inner lining of your blood vessels. When your endothelium is strong and healthy, blood flows more easily and efficiently throughout your body, including to areas essential for physical intimacy. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries may even reduce the risk of heart disease and help maintain vascular flexibility. 2 key factors in preserving intimate health as we age. Strawberries add their own powerful touch to this equation. Rich in vitamin C and ellagic acid, strawberries support the production of nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for relaxing and opening your blood vessels. At the same time, they help build and maintain collagen, a protein that provides structure and strength to your vascular system. As we age, collagen naturally declines, leading to stiff or less responsive blood vessels. Strawberries help combat that, making sure your circulatory system stays agile and efficient. Even more exciting is the synergy between these two berries. Together, the anthocyanins and blueberries and the nitric oxide supporting compounds in strawberries create a dynamic duo that protects, restores, and enhances your vascular system. That means better blood flow, better energy, and yes, better intimacy. And if you think berries are impressive, wait until you hear about two fuzzy little fruits that can lower blood pressure, protect your arteries, and may even help reverse the aging process from the inside out. Let's explore what kiwi and red grapes can do for your body and your relationship. 3 kiwi and red grapes. Kiwi and red grapes. Kiwi and red grapes might not be the first fruits you think of when it comes to intimacy and circulation, but these two are quiet powerhouses with surprising benefits for adults over 60. In fact, adding them to your daily routine could be one of the simplest ways to support your cardiovascular system and reignite the sense of closeness and connection that may have faded with age. Let's talk about kiwi first. Behind its fuzzy skin lies a bright green fruit loaded with vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. One remarkable study from the University of Oslo found that eating just 2 to 3 kiwis a day can significantly lower blood pressure. That's crucial because high blood pressure puts unnecessary stress on your blood vessels, making them stiff and less responsive, something that directly impacts energy and intimacy. Kiwi doesn't just lower blood pressure, it helps blood vessels relax and stay flexible, which means better blood flow to all areas of the body, including those most essential to physical closeness. Now turn your attention to red grapes. These little jewels are rich in resveratrol, a compound celebrated for its powerful anti-aging and heart protective effects. Resveratrol helps reduce inflammation, protects against oxidative stress, and has even been shown to trigger the repair of damaged blood vessel linings by stimulating endothelial stem cells. That's right, red grapes can actually support your body's ability to heal its own circulatory system for seniors. This means not just preserving what you have, but potentially reversing some of the damage that is accumulated over time. When paired together, kiwi and red grapes create a combination that promotes lower blood pressure, improves elasticity in your arteries, and provides long-term protection against vascular aging. This translates to more energy, a healthier heart, and a body that responds more fully when intimacy calls. But the journey doesn't stop here. Imagine combining the crispness of an apple with the creamy richness of an avocado to strengthen your blood vessels from the inside out. The next pair on our list might surprise you with their powerful effect on your body's most delicate systems. Let's dive in for apples and avocados. Apples and avocados may seem like an unlikely pair, but when it comes to supporting healthy circulation and intimacy after 60, they complement each other in powerful ways. One is crisp, sweet, and refreshing. The other is creamy, rich, and satisfying together. They provide your body with exactly what it needs to protect and repair the blood vessels that play a crucial role in energy responsiveness and physical connection. Let's start with apples. This everyday fruit contains a potent flavonoid called quercetin, which has been shown to improve endothelial function. The endothelium is the thin layer of cells that lines your blood vessels and controls how easily blood flows through your body. A healthy endothelium means more efficient circulation, better delivery of oxygen, and improved sensitivity, especially in the areas that matter most when it comes to physical intimacy. Quercetin also acts as a powerful antioxidant, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress that can damage your arteries over time. Simply put, eating apples regularly helps keep your blood vessels young, flexible, and ready to respond. Now let's talk about avocados. While technically a fruit, avocados bring something different to the table. Healthy fats, they are packed with monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL, both of which are vital for cardiovascular health. But there's more. Avocados are also rich in potassium, a mineral that helps relax blood vessel walls and further supports healthy blood pressure. This combination makes avocados a circulation-boosting superstar, especially for seniors seeking natural ways to maintain or regain vitality. When combined, apples and avocados deliver a double benefit. The quercetin in apples helps repair and protect the blood vessels, while the healthy fats and potassium in avocados keep them supple, open, and strong. The result is a circulatory system that functions more like it did in your younger years, making intimacy not just possible, but enjoyable again. And if these two fruits can rebuild your body's foundation, imagine what a taste of the tropics could do up next. Discover how mangoes and oranges fight the hidden damage inside your vessels and unlock a brighter, more energized version of you. Keep watching Mangoes and Oranges 5 Mangoes and Oranges bring more than just a taste of the tropics. They deliver powerful protection against one of the most damaging forces inside the body, oxidative stress as we age. Oxidative stress silently wears down the health of our blood vessels, weakening circulation and draining the energy and intimacy that once came easily. Fortunately, these two vibrant fruits are packed with antioxidants that help stop that damage in its tracks and restore your body's natural vitality. Mangoes are often celebrated for their sweet, juicy flavor, but their real power lies beneath the surface. They are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, and vitamin C nutrients that fight off the CUR, damaging effects of free radicals. When oxidative stress is reduced, your blood vessels remain more elastic, responsive, and capable of delivering blood where it's needed most. That means more energy, clearer thinking, and a body that responds with greater ease during moments of closeness. Mangoes also support skin health and immune function, adding even more reason to enjoy them regularly. Oranges, on the other hand, are already well known for their high vitamin C content, but their benefits go far beyond preventing a cold. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps your blood vessels strong. And flexible oranges also contain a flavonoid called hesperodin, which has been shown to improve blood flow and overall vascular function. In fact, research has found that hesperodin can preserve nitric oxide levels, the very molecule responsible for relaxing blood vessels and promoting circulation. This makes oranges a key player in maintaining healthy, youthful blood flow. Well into your senior years together, mangoes and oranges work as a team to fight internal damage, boost circulation, and refresh your energy from the inside out. Their bright colors reflect the vibrant transformation they bring to your body, a reminder that nature provides everything we need to feel alive again. And if you think the benefits stop at better blood flow, think again. What if blending just a few of these fruits together could unlock a daily ritual that supports your heart, your hormones, and your happiness all in one glass? You're about to find out 6, what you do. What you do. Today, what you do today right now can shape how you feel, love, and live tomorrow. The choices we make in our later years often have an even greater impact than those we made in our youth. That's because our bodies become more responsive to nourishment, more sensitive to lifestyle changes, and more deeply affected by either neglect or care. When it comes to circulation and intimacy, every small step matters. And the good news is, you don't have to overhaul your life to experience real change. It starts with something as simple and familiar as the fruits you put on your plate by choosing fruits like pomegranates, watermelon berries, kiwi, red grapes, apples, avocados, mangoes, and oranges. You're doing more than adding nutrients to your diet. You're actively supporting blood flow, protecting your arteries, and giving your body the tools it needs to restore its natural energy and connection over time. These changes build on each other. More blood flow brings more oxygen brings clearer thinking, stronger performance, and a renewed sense of self-confidence. Better health brings better relationships. It's all connected. But the key is consistency. What you do occasionally helps, but what you do every day transforms. Eating 2 to 3 servings of these fruits, daily drinking enough water, taking a short walk, and making time to connect with your partner are simple actions, but they carry lasting results. You'll feel more alive, more in tune with your body, and more connected to the one you love. So don't wait. Don't say someday. Your future starts with what you choose today. The body may age, but the spirit remains young when it's nourished and cared for. Begin today with a single piece of fruit and let that small choice grow into something beautiful. But what happens when you take all this knowledge and turn it into a delicious daily habit, one that brings flavor, energy, and intimacy into a single glass? Let's discover the smoothie that could become your new secret weapon, a new beginning. One bite at a new beginning, one bite at a time. When you reach a certain age, it's easy to feel like some things are behind you: energy, spontaneity, passion. But the truth is, they don't have to be. What we've explored together isn't just a list of healthy fruits. It's a gentle reminder that your body still wants to work for you, not against you. It's still capable of healing, responding, connecting. If you give it the right support, we've seen how pomegranates and watermelon improve blood flow by naturally boosting nitric oxide, how berries like blueberries and strawberries protect your blood vessels, and bring flexibility back to your circulation. We talked about kiwi and red grapes, which quietly reduce blood pressure and stimulate your body's own repair systems. Then there are apples and avocados, everyday foods that strengthen your arteries and provide lasting cardiovascular protection. And finally, mangoes and oranges, which fight oxidative stress and awaken your inner energy from the inside out. All of these benefits are powerful on their own, but what they really represent is a shift in how you care for yourself, how you choose to nourish not just your body, but your relationships and your joy intimacy. After 60 isn't about chasing youth, it's about honoring your life experience, your emotional depth, and your desire to feel alive and connected fully and naturally. So, if there's one thing I hope you take away from all this, it's that small choices can still lead to big transformations. The food you choose, the moments you prioritize, and the love you continue to nurture, those things matter. They shape how you live the years ahead. Because it's not about aging quietly, it's about living vibrantly, one bite, one step, one day at a time. Your next chapter starts now, and you deserve to feel every moment of it. These lessons are meant to inspire you to live fully and authentically. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Take a moment to reflect and share one thing you've learned and plan to apply in your own life. Let's support each other on this journey toward embracing these truths. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment with 1. If not, feel free to comment with 0. Your feedback means a lot to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and here's to living life on your own terms.